Hello children, we are reading lesson 1 of civics, rural local self-government. We know that Indian constitution divide our government into two, that is union government and state government. But in 1950, Balwant Rai Mehta committee recommended decentralization of power, and some power was taken away from central and state government and given to the local government. And this local government is known as Panchayati Raj. Panchayati Raj is also called a three-tier system because it is divided into three parts. One is Panchayat, village level, Block Samiti at block or Tehsil level, Jila Parishad at district level. We have finished already last class up to here. Let's start from the significance of Panchayati Raj. After discussing the village panchayat, block samiti and Jila Parishad, we can well appreciate the significance of Panchayati Raj. The following points are noteworthy. First is, it has brought about general and political awareness among the rural masses. With this Panchayat Raj, the local people also able to know about the political things. Next, it has helped to establish democracy at the grassroots level. Next, it has brought government and the people closer to each other. Each people, every member of the, even a small village people also have a member and help the government to take their work in proper order. People have become partner in decision making at the local level. It has helped in improving the general condition of the people through welfare activities. Mahatma Gandhi, we all know, is the father of our nation, was an ardent supporter of the village panchayat. His concept of Gram Swaraj was based on the principle that each village in India should be an autonomous little republic able to meet its own vital needs. According to Gandhiji, he wanted to develop this Panchayati Raj, that every village has its own government that they can meet with their local needs. What is Panchayat? In a general meeting, a Panchayat is a committee of 5 elderly and responsible persons of a village. It has so in ancient India and up to the medieval times. It has believed that God himself dwelt among the 5. So their decisions and judgments were respected by all in all matters concerning the village and the people. The organization of panchayat may differ slightly from state to state, but most of the panchayat have been set up on similar lines as directed under the 73 Amendment of Indian Constitutions. Okay, what is panchayat? It is a member of 5 elderly people and responsible people of a village. Children, see in the green box, some new words are given. Please learn all this. These are very good and it will help you to learn the words clearly to you. What is that? Panchayati Raj. What is? It is a local government in the rural area. What about Block Samiti? And Block Samiti is a local government body at a Tehsil level in the National of India. Jila Parishad, Block Samiti in a district group together to make Jila Parishad. Panchayat. It is a committee of 5 elderly and responsible persons of a village. So please learn these new words. Go to the next page. The organization of a village panchayat. How the village panchayat form? Who are the members of the village panchayat? Almost all villages in India have a Gram Sabha, village assembly, a Gram Panchayat, village panchayat, and a Nyay Panchayat. These may be called the three important wings of village panchayat. What are they? Village assembly or Gram Sabha, or village panchayat or Gram Panchayat, or one is Nyay Panchayat. These three assemble together to make a village panchayat. Let's start the Gram Sabha or the village assembly. Every village has a Gram Sabha. Every adult male or female who is 18 years of age or above is a member of Gram Sabha. Understand, children? Every people, maybe whether it is male or female, below 18 years, they are not considered as a member of the Gram Sabha, but 18 years and above of the 18, all members of the village are considered as the member of Gram Sabha. The Gram Sabha must meet at least twice a year. There was a meeting twice a year. It passes the annual budget and discusses the major problems of the village. The members of Gram Sabha elect the Gram Panchayat through a secret ballot. We know what is secret ballot? That no one can know whom I am voting. The Gram Sabha membership varies from 100 to 1000 depending upon the size of the village. If how many members are going to give vote, they depend on the population of the village. Next, the Gram Panchayat, the village panchayat. The Gram Panchayat is a small committee of 7 to 30 members who are elected by the Gram Sabha. What is Gram Sabha? Every member of the village have age 18 or above 18. They are all member of the Gram Sabha. They elect 7 or to 30 members for Gram Panchayat. Seats are reserved for scheduled caste and scheduled tribes on the ratio of their population in the village area. Out of these, not less than 1/3 are reserved for the women belonging to these castes. Similarly, 1/3 of total seats are also reserved for women. In addition, the seats reserved for women belong to the scheduled caste and scheduled tribes. Next, the village pradhan. Who is the village pradhan or the head of the village? The sarpanch. The head of the panchayat is called by different names in different states. In UP, he is called sarpanch. In Bihar, he is called mukhia. It is his duty to call a meeting of the panchayat and Gram Sabha and presides over this. In his absence, the vice president is there to discharge these duties. The panchayat pradhan or sarpanch and other panch do not get any salary. How many are there? Who is the head? The sarpanch. It called by different name in the different states, but they are not getting a permanent salary. The panchayat secretary. The panchayat secretary is a paid officer of the panchayat. He is getting salary. He maintains records and registers of the work done by the panchayat. He also prepares its accounts. He is appointed by the district magistrate or the deputy commissioner. What is the duration? How long a panchayat was working? A panchayat is elected for 5 years. The panchayat may be dissolved on account of inefficient and mismanagement. If anyone who is elected is not able to do work properly, inefficiency, then it can be dissolved and again election can be held. But a new panchayat must be elected within 6 months of the dissolution of the previous panchayat. The new panchayat will work for the remaining period of the 5 years. Understand, children? Panchayat is elected for 5 years. If suppose anyone is not able to manage this, then other one will be elected within 6 months and they have to work for 5 years. Read today here, next day we will read for the functions of the village panchayat, okay?